Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to today's daily detail tip. Today's daily detail tip has to do with cleaning the inside of a car. And I actually did a video last week on this new tool that I've actually was fortunate enough to be kind of in the development process of it with Autofiber, and it's super cool. And I've actually been using it for a little while, longer than it's been out, because, like I said, I was in the kind of development stages of it along with a few other people. But it's this thing that Autofiber and Ian launch, and it's called the Scrub Ninja. And it's this, you can jump over to my YouTube channel if you want, and if I remember, I'll leave a link down in the show notes below. But it's this little, well, they have different size ones and a block and kind of a few different sizes, but the point is that it's the material, these fibers, these brush-like fibers on this almost like a, you know, the clay mitts. It's like a clay mitt size, but they have this fiber, this brush-like fiber on the side instead of where the clay material would go. But then there's also sizes down to like the size of an applicator pad that you could use to like clean a steering wheel and stuff like that. And it's similar to what Autofiber had in the Skinny Scrubber, but a little bit more aggressive. And what I really like about it is, especially when you're cleaning like leather, vinyl seats, steering wheels, door panels, one, a brush can be just flat out too aggressive. Two, it could be too bulky. So when you're trying to clean a door panel or even a seat to get kind of in the nooks and crannies, yeah, you have longer bristles, but it just seems either you're spraying like dirt and cleaner all over the place if you're cleaning an armrest, or trying to clean a steering wheel with the brush just doesn't work. And so what's really cool is that this Skinny Scrubber, or sorry, this Scrub Ninja, actually, it's not super duper aggressive. It's much more aggressive than the Skinny Scrubber, which works well for lightly soiled or super delicate leather seats or door panels that aren't too bad. But the Scrub Ninja has these little brush-like fibers, but they're fibers, not like long bristles. And so I've been really enjoying it. Ton of flexibility. You don't have to worry about being too aggressive with it. Usually it's not going to like peel the dye off a seat if you're scrubbing really hard like a brush will. It won't work on carpets, or at least it's not. I don't think it's intended to be used on carpets. It's more of a leather, vinyl, plastic tool. But go over and check out my YouTube channel, because I did a full video review on that. But I would encourage you, if you're having trouble with detailing the inside of cars and you're kind of looking for a better solution to clean things like dashboards, door panels, leather vinyl seats, center console, things like that, you can check out the Scrub Ninja. And if you pair it, haven't said this in a while, with the June Jones 722 mix, I think it's 722, you can Google June Jones 722 mix and something will pop up, either my podcast or his, the Dealership Detailing Podcast. If I slow down, I could actually talk. Anyway, so yeah, today's daily detail tip, check out the Scrub Ninja at autofiber.com. You could still use code Jimbo if you want to save some money. This is not a sponsored daily detail tip. It is just a tool that I've been using and liked and decided to do a video on it. So you could also check it out over on my YouTube channel.